Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're going to be removing the passenger side airbag. So for the very first thing you want to do is remove both the negative and positive battery terminals and set them out of the way. You want to make sure that it's not connected in any way, since we are working with the airbag and we don't want it to go off on us. And so this is normally just an 8mm wrench on each side to take off both of those. If you have an aftermarket cable ends, it might be a little different, but 8mm, remove both of those out of the way, make sure they're not touching. Okay, so now from inside the car, this is the airbag section here, the middle part that says Mustang and SRS. And so what we're going to do now is open the glove box, and you're going to push in on both sides of the glove box as you slightly lift up, and then you can drop the glove box down. Now back up in there is where we're going to remove both of the bolts and the electrical connection, and we'll show you what that looks like on an outside view here with an extra dash that we have. Okay, so when you're going through the glove box here, you're going to use an 8mm wrench, and I'll just show you here on the back side. You're going after these two bolts here. There's one there and one here. And so it's going to be on the back side of this beam, or it'll be the front side as you're coming from the other way. And so you do have your air tube coming through here for the air conditioning, so it is a tight fit, but you're reaching up in there, as you can see, as he's coming through the glove box area, and you're just going to remove both of those, and they're 8mm. Okay, next we're going to disconnect this plug right here. So as you can see on the right hand side, there's a tab that we're going to push down on, and as you're pushing down on that, you just slide it out. Okay, so with this unplugged now, we still do need to remove this portion of the plug, and so it has that Christmas tree type pin into it, so you are going to have to just pull down on it. You might end up breaking that clip, or if you want to try pushing down on the top of it, you can. So you probably won't be able to get this angle from the back side of the dash, of course, but just to show you what we're having to do. Now these tabs, just so you know, if you don't want to pull it out and you can get a screwdriver up in there, what it does allow you to do is lift right here on this tab, and then once that's up, you can slide this out the back way. As so, and then that clip can stay in. So there is a way for you to slide this off if you want to. If not, just yank it down. Okay, so now you can pull the airbag out. You can reach up under and push from the back if you want. And so this is what the whole unit looks like as it's coming out. Then replacing the airbag is just the opposite of pulling it out, so just slide it back in there, connect the plug, and put the bolts back in. Make sure that when you put the battery back on, nobody's in this area in case it is, in case it does fire, and just be careful about that, and just know that you want to perform this at your own risk, just as a disclaimer, because it is an explosive as the airbag. So anyway, thanks for watching.